All right, so we're going to use pillows today. Bring 2 sets of pillows. Not 1, 2. All right, so I go down like you know how to go down. Press your elbows apart. Stretch your neck long. Have your shoulder and your neck supported. Got it. Step 2, real key. Bring the shoulder blades down. Bring the shoulder blades down. Elbows in and out onto the pillows. So this is more about what I'm doing next. That's why your arms have to be up high. Now I'm going to do a rib tilt without my hands, kind of advanced. It's an advanced move. So you're pressing your sternum down with the muscles in your body. Then you're going to pick your face up and keep your chin down, and you're going to go as if somebody was doing this to me. I'm going to imagine someone pulling my spine up and out, and then I keep imagining that pulling motion as I go back down. It's real important arms are supported because a lot of reasons. Press, you have to anchor first. Don't wait to anchor. Anchor first, anchor, then come up, then go down. See you in class. Peace. Peace out, baby.